In this video, we're going to show you how to install the brake light switch on your Volvo XC60 located up underneath the dash. Starting on the driver's side, we're going to go ahead in and you want to go ahead and locate that brake pedal and follow it up to the switches up above. Now if you follow the brake arm up, you're going to go ahead and locate these switches right here. Now the brake light switch is this black one on the right hand side. In order to perform this job, you have to remove both of these, not just this one. So you're going to start by pressing in on this little gray tab right here and disconnect this harness. So push in on that and then unplug that. You want to go ahead and access the second switch from underneath the steering column and the bottom of the dash trim here. Now we're going to have a pick like this. I'm going to reach in underneath, and right on the top here is going to be a little black clip here, a button we need to press in on to release the harness. So I'm going to press in and I'm going to grab that harness here, that connector. I'm going to go ahead and push down on that tab. There it is. Once you release it, you can pull that connector out. There it is. Now when we remove these here, the black switch needs to go clockwise. We turn that clockwise and it releases that. Now I want to turn the other one counterclockwise. You're just going to grab it, turn counterclockwise, and release that. I'm just going to wipe away some of that dust that's around here. Take the switch here, and you can see these notches here. They're going to line up with the little tabs on this here. So you're going to insert that and then turn it clockwise. Insert, press it in. Clockwise, and it locks into place. Insert the brake light switch. Rotate that one. Install the connector. You hear and feel that lock in. Install that connector. You hear and feel that lock in. Now with these installed here, it may require a scan tool to go ahead and program these for settings. So you want to go ahead and test everything out, make sure everything works. If it does need adjustments, go ahead and hook up the scan tool and adjust accordingly.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.